Guys, here's a 7x16 PJ Trailers dump trailer. It's got an all steel frame, 14,000 pound GVWR, tandem Dexter axles, each with 7,000 pound GVWR. Has an adjustable 2 5/16 inch Bulldog coupler, a 6-leaf slipper spring suspension, 16-inch white spoke wheels and radial tires. Has a electric breakaway kit with a charger. The tape on this model is DOT reflective. It's got tread plate steel fenders, lockable toolbox in the front which houses your battery and hydraulic pump. In the back you have a two-way gate, barn doors. Also has slide-in channel ramps. On the inside of the trailer you have 4 welded on D-ring tie downs. It's got a 40-degree dump pitch as well as a 12-volt hydraulic pump. At the front here you have a roll-up tarp. The inside as well as the sides of the trailer are 10-gauge steel. The sides of the trailer are also 24 inches tall. This model also has the stake pockets here on the side. The trailer itself has been sandblasted, acid washed, and powder coated. And your lighting is all DOT approved LED. And up here we also have a spare tire mount. Give us a call 863-66-RIGHT or visit us anytime at righttrailers.com.